Beautiful flowers in a moment. That's what this is all about. We're all busy, so what I have done is I've put some collections together. All you have to do when you get them home is to lay them out into their little groups, get a vase, any vase, and you're set and ready to go. Everything's all cut. Quick and easy is what this is about. Okay, putting in the magnolia leaf first, and if you want to, you can just give this a wee bend out and you can get in there with the leaves and just bend and manipulate those to whichever way you want them, better than in nature. I've got two lovely big blush hydrangeas. Now they've just sort of like fallen in there a wee bit, but don't worry about that. You can bend them out when you get further into it. I absolutely love this peony. It is so beautiful, and you'll find that with all the flowers, all the colourways are interconnecting, which makes designing much easier. That can go into there, that can go into there, and then I've got these lovely blush roses that actually almost feel like they're real. Oh, they're gorgeous. One can go into there, one can go into there, and this one can go around and into there. Right, with these vintage buds, look at that. Isn't that just lovely? Oh, just love that vintagey colour. That can go into there. That can go into there like so. And then with the bigger blooms, I'm going to bring one into there and I'm going to bring one over into this side. Now, I've called this vintage blush for a reason. You can have it into this container, or how about this container, this really lovely rustic one? And it's just a matter of pulling all of those out of there, bringing those down so that they're all about the same stem length, plopping them into your vase, and look at that, rustic, elegant, and beautifully coloured together. Now you can bend these and manipulate those, as I said, to whichever way you want. So I hope you enjoy that. My favourite.